This is what it's all about, folks. There we go. He ate it. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're in the car. I'm waiting for Ryan to get off the school bus. He and I are gonna kick the weekend off right. It is Friday afternoon. That's right, we're going fishing. So he and I are gonna load up. I've got his stuff in the back. We're gonna head to the river. We're gonna meet up with Eric, hopefully get on to a few smallmouth and try to get Ryan his first walleye. He's been wanting to catch one, and if we do, we might do a catch and cook. I've got a cooler with ice back there. If nothing else, at least it's gonna keep our drinks cold. We'll see you out on the river. This is what it's all about, folks. Teaching the next generation how to read the water, how to get out here and catch some fish. Eric's a much better fisherman than I am.
Sun disappearing.
Yep. Oh. We got a smallie. Easy there, buddy.
Oh, that hurt.
Woo, he's cold. There you go, buddy. Thank you. There we go. That's a walleye. I don't know, I haven't seen it yet. I feel head shakes. That's a walleye. Oh, that's big enough, yeah.
Yes.
He ate it.
That's a big walleye.
You want to see its teeth?
Yeah.
Well, Now he's bleeding.
Hey, come on. Where's Captain Stop? Oh, I don't want to put my hand in there.
That's why I said don't. You gotta wait till I. All right, guys, welcome back inside the house. We did get that one nice walleye out there. Someone else caught one too, and it would have been a keeper.
Hey.
But it got away. Let's just leave it at that. But let's take a look at this walleye, guys. This is a nice walleye. So we're gonna go ahead and clean him up, get him ready for the skillet. We'll come back in just a couple minutes, show you how we prep him and how we cook it. All right, guys, here we are. It's all cleaned up. I'm not very good at filleting. I haven't done it very much in the last 20 some years. So we didn't get a whole lot, but we did get some nice chunks of walleye here. So we're gonna season that up with Old Bay blackening spice. This stuff is really good. We do this on tilapia, and then we'll show you how we cook it. So we're gonna do that, but before we do that, I'm gonna show you a quick homemade tartar sauce. We're gonna take light mayo, put that in there. And we're almost out of mayo. A little bit of sweet relish. About a spoonful, put that in there. A little bit of pepper. Garlic powder. And onion powder. Mix that all up. Makes pretty good
Homemade tartar sauce.
homemade tartar sauce. Right, you like the homemade tartar sauce, don't you?
Yeah.
We made some the other night, so we'll mix that in with this so that we have enough. So Rye, why don't we go ahead and season up the fish? Why don't you go ahead and do that? So take that off, yep. Liberally sprinkle it on there. So we washed it, patted dry. There you go. Come on, man. All right, get that first one again. All right, now, you know what you gotta do. You gotta flip them over. No one likes one-sided tasting food. All right, while he's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and get the pan out and get it ready. All right, we've got it heated up now here. Here we go. You hear that sizzle? That's what you want. Lay this one that way. All right, a couple minutes each side, guys. Let's flip them over. Now, we only had one 20-inch walleye. Had we gotten the other one online, we would have had a really good meal for the four of us. My wife Karen's gonna try this, off camera of course, but a couple more minutes on that side and it'll be perfect. I'm gonna put it side by side with some tilapia that I cooked the other night that's in the microwave right now, along with some Brussels sprouts. Look at those Brussels sprouts, guys. Look at those. That's gorgeous stuff right there. Now, Rye doesn't like the Brussels sprouts, so we're just gonna let him have the walleye. All right, those are done. Let's get them off. I'm gonna take this piece right here, stick it on my plate. I'm gonna give my wife that piece. And then Rye, we'll give you these 2 pieces here. Let's get you. Those for you. I'll put that up there. All right, Rye, why don't you do it first? Do the honors. I'm gonna get a piece here. Now remember, this fish was swimming maybe an hour and a half ago.
Pretty good.
Pretty good? That is really good. So, better than tilapia?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, way better than tilapia, guys. Hey, if you enjoyed following along with me, Ryan, and Eric out there today, give us a thumbs up. Get down in those comments. Let us know how you like this catch and cook. Maybe we can do some more of these. Rye. Jeez.
Oh, good.
And we'll catch you next time.